Hello everyone, Connor from Connor on the Rails here, and welcome back to the Mattapan Files. This is part 2 of a 3-part series, so after this video, go watch the first one. I will put the link in the description. Today, we start out at Central Avenue. Central Ave has a large road and pedestrian crossing. The station platforms have 2 LCD displays, wheelchair accessible ramps, and maps. There is only 1 bench and a trash can on the outbound platform, and a canopy only on the inbound platform. The most unusual station on this leg of the line is Valley Road, which is the only non-handicap accessible station on the line. The station is accessed by a path that is covered in trees and then a staircase to access the inbound platform. You can access the outbound platform via a walkway connecting the platforms. There are 2 LCD displays, no wheelchair accessible ramps, 2 benches, and trash cans. However, there is only 1 canopy on the inbound side. There was also this weird rail sticking out of the ground. Welcome to Capen St, which is the only station with staggered platforms. The inbound platform has a canopy, 2 benches, a trash can, and an LCD display. The outbound platform has a bench and a trash can. Both platforms have wheelchair accessible ramps. There are also 2 bike racks on the inbound side so you can lock up your bike. We've arrived in our final stop, Mattapan. This is the second stop on the line that serves local bus connections. The buses are 15, 24, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 33, 245, and 716. Bus pickup is located on the outbound platform, while drop-off is located on the inbound platform. There are 3 tracks at Mattapan, 2 inbound and 1 outbound. Each platform has a wheelchair accessible ramp, trash cans, and benches. On the outbound platform only, there are 3 closed-in waiting areas and 1 closed-in area with ticket machines. There is also a bike rack a bit farther down where you can lock up your bike. Mattapan is the only station that has the line's yard and maintenance facility. There are 3 storage tracks for extra cars and an open-air maintenance facility. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, enjoy trains!